Hey, middle school leadership team. It is currently about 20 after 5, and the sun is out finally on this Wednesday, our first day back from break. Welcome back. If I didn't see you, I know I saw some of you, but some of you were out and about doing other things when I was out and about. So, a couple things to know about tomorrow. We're going to do a quick COVID review, and we'll talk about staffing and some timelines, what things look like. We're in that spring of the year where there's all kinds of things happening. We are going to finish our successful middle school book, and it's the really quick chapters on leadership and organization. And then there's some really interesting things about young adolescent development and what that means for educators. And so I think those are important things for us to have some conversation about. We are going to talk about MCAs. Oh, I'm going to go back. The ideal middle school is really if I built a middle school and you built a middle school and everyone else built a middle school, they'd look different. And so, what do you think is the ideal middle school? Is now that we've read a little bit and we've had some conversation, I want you just to participate in an activity that will be due to me. You're going to have some time to think about it and to work on it. But yeah, I'll introduce it tomorrow. Anyway, MCA planning we'll talk through, and then summer school is an opportunity that we have for our staff to participate in teaching if we have enough students, which I think we will. But I want us to talk a little bit about philosophy and what we need, and then also about what are the requirements if you miss so much of the school year, or how we decide who gets in and who gets out. So. And then there's a book study opportunity that we're going to start launching for those that are ready to look at something. And it's a book that we have maybe heard about before, but a really good read that's important for all of us to really process as educators. So I'll share more tomorrow. All right, we will be in the auditorium tomorrow, and we will be as quick as we can. I know it's supposed to be sunny, Mr. Green has told me, so we will move as quickly as possible. I look forward to seeing you and have a great night. Bye.